Hi, it's Patrick with E38. In this video, I'll show you how you can manage your RTK Premium subscriptions with Premium Positioning's enterprise tools. If you only need to operate a single subscription, our team will manage this for you. But if you're managing multiple subscriptions or planning to, this video will give you an overview of the most important functions. After you request enterprise control, you will receive an email from Premium Positioning to set your account's password. Once set, you'll be greeted with this home screen, with your main navigation buttons on the left side, to return here or to manage your devices and plans, or to get information on live or previous use sessions. Let's start by adding our devices. We'll add an Ntrip username and password. We can also add the hardware serial number if we prefer. For this example, let's say that we have one user that will consistently need access to RTK corrections, while we have two others who won't ever need to have access simultaneously. So we're going to add a device for each user with a unique Ntrip ID and password. Taking this approach will allow a manager to control which devices have access to the subscription at any time. Now that we have added all of our devices, we can assign the subscriptions we purchased by clicking on the device, then the Add Subscription button. Clicking Create New will allow us to purchase more subscriptions as needed. Since we already have 2 subscriptions on our account, we can select from existing. Then click on one of our subscriptions and add it to the device. Set the service to Service A outside of abnormal circumstances. Now device 1 can connect to the network and receive RTK corrections. Let's do the same for device 2. Now let's say our user with device 2 doesn't need to use it right now, but our user with device 3 does. We can go in and purchase another subscription, or we can go back into device 2 to revoke their access to the subscription and apply that access to device 3. Another useful action we can take here is to look into live sessions or the session history. In live sessions, we can see in near real time all of our active devices, the time their session started, how long it's been active, and how well the service has been working. Additionally, we can look at the history of all sessions and export that data as well. This has been Patrick with E38 Survey Solutions. Thanks for watching.